Here we go. So I'm finally done reviewing this game. It makes this one look fucking tame. Put your hands together if you wanna slap this fucking jerk for all this crap. DK, Donkey Kong, he's the leader of the bunch. You know him well. This icy maze was utter hell. His coconut gun can fire in spurts, but his shitty aim makes my testes hurt. He's bigger, faster, and really strong. Oh wait, my bad, that's Donkey Kong. DK, Donkey Kong, DK, Donkey Kong is here. This Kong's got style, so listen up dudes, she took Dixie's job. And that's just rude. She can float through the air and climb up trees, but every Kong climbs fucking trees. If you choose her, you'll not choose wrong, but she still took a job from Dixie Kong. DK, Donkey Kong, he has no style, he has a quick pace. His hitbox is a fucking disgrace. He can handstand and stretch his arms out, but this rabbit race makes me wanna shout. He fights himself just like a balloon, which means don't Google him. What the hell is wrong with you? DK, Donkey Kong, DK, Donkey Kong is here. He's back again, and about time too. This dude is a fucking move. He can fly real high with his jetpack on, but the turning weighs a metric ton. He'll make you smile when he plays his tune, but gremlins beware, cause he's known to spoon. DK, Donkey Kong, finally, he's here for you. What the fuck even is this DK crew? This Kong's so strong, it isn't funny. Dr. Pepper, give me money. He pick up a boulder with relative ease. I think K. Rool has an eye disease. He may move slow, he can't jump high. He'll still fuck you up, so get ready to die. Come on, Cranky, take it to the fridge. Walnuts, peas, nuts, pineapple smells. Your ass is cooked, so I'll see you in hell. Walnuts, peanuts, pineapple smells. Wait, what are these lyrics? It's like a shopping list. And what do they mean, pineapple smells? Pineapple is life, bitch. You know, I ended up not drinking as much as I thought I was going to. This is like